Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What pans should not be used on a glass top stove? In order to avoid damaging your glass top stove, you should avoid pots and pans made from glass, stoneware, traditional ceramic, and cast iron that has not been crafted to be compatible with glass top stoves.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Heavyweight aluminum cookware is also recommended. It conducts heat faster than other metals and cooks evenly. Aluminum residue sometimes appears as scratches on the cooktop, but these can be removed if cleaned immediately.
Take our lead.
Place the heat diffuser firmly on the glass, to avoid any scratching. Then, place your kitchen implement of choice on top. Heat diffusers are sturdy, and they will stop your iron cookware from damaging the surface of the glass stove.
Take our lead.
Once the stovetop is cool, use white vinegar to spray the surface. Next, generously sprinkle baking soda over the vinegar. Place a clean towel, soaked in hot water and wrung out, over the vinegar, baking soda mix. Let this mixture work its magic for 10 to 15 minutes.
Take our lead.
When a stove has glass over the top, cast iron can easily scratch and damage the surface. The main reason for this is the weight of the pan. Cast iron is heavy. Add food to the pot, such as soups and stews, and the pot is even heavier. And that's a lot of weight resting on top of the glass cooktop.
Let's help you make your mark.
Stainless steel is one of the best materials to use on glass top stoves because it's durable, non-reactive, and smooth. Plus, it's conveniently dishwasher safe. Steel pans with aluminum or copper cores, sometimes called tri-ply, are worth the investment for improved heat conductivity and even heat distribution.
Take our lead.
Stovetop repair costs. The cost to replace a stove burner coil is $10 to $30. Fixing the underlying electronics or a scratched glass stovetop is significantly more expensive and could be as much as $600.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.